Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here again.
Today's episode is going to be delicious because we are talking about ordering food at a restaurant.
Yes, this is one of the most useful topics in English. If you travel, study, or live in an English-speaking country, you will definitely go to a restaurant or cafe.
Absolutely. So today, David and I will help you practice real English for restaurants. From greeting the waiter, asking for a menu, ordering food, to paying the bill.
And we'll also share some stories about our own restaurant experiences. So, let's get started. Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant.
Okay, David, imagine we arrive at a restaurant. The first thing the waiter usually says is, "Hello, how many people?"
Right. And we can answer, 2 people, please, or table for 2, please.
Let's practice that slowly so our listeners can repeat after us. Repeat after me. Table for 2, please.
Nice and clear. Table for 2, please.
And if you're more people, you can say, "Table for 4, please," or "We are 5.
That's very common. Okay, Anna, quick question for you. When you go to a restaurant, do you usually book a table in advance or just walk in?
Good question. I usually book a table, especially if it's busy or on the weekend. What about you?
I usually just walk in, but sometimes I have to wait. And waiting when you're hungry is not fun.
No, it's not. So, listeners, remember these phrases: table for 2, please, or we have a reservation under Anna.
Great.
Part 2, asking for the menu.
Anna, after you sit down, the waiter usually gives you the menu, but if not, you can ask, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Yes, very polite. Repeat after me. Can I have the menu, please?
Another way is, "Could we see the menu, please?"
Or simply, menu, please. That's shorter, but still okay.
So, Anna, what do you usually check first on the menu?
Drinks. I always look at the drinks first.
Same here. And then I check appetizers.
Yes, me too. Okay, let's role play for our listeners. I will be the customer and you can be the waiter.
Good evening. Welcome. How many people?
Table for 2, please.
Right. This way. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Perfect. That's a good start.
Part 3. Ordering drinks.
Now, drinks are usually ordered first. So, David, how do you ask politely for a drink?
You can say, "I'd like a glass of water, please." Or, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Yes, let's practice slowly. I'd like a glass of water, please.
Repeat after me. "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Listeners, practice with us. Imagine you want juice. I'd like an orange juice, please.
Or, if you want something cold, "Can I have an iced tea, please?"
Very good. Now, David, what's your favorite drink at a restaurant?
I usually order sparkling water. What about you?
Coffee. Always coffee. Part 4, ordering food.
Now the big part, food. The waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
And if you need more time, you can say, "Not yet, please. A few more minutes."
Very useful. But if you're ready, you can say, "Yes, I'd like the chicken salad."
Or, "I'll have the spaghetti, please."
Both are correct. "I'd like" is polite. "I'll have" is very common.
Let's role play again. I'll be the customer and you're the waiter.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon with rice, please.
And for you, sir?
I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce.
Excellent choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Very good. Thank you.
Nice. That's a natural order.
Part 5. Asking questions.
Sometimes you want to ask questions about the food, like, what's in this dish?
Or does it have meat? Or is it vegetarian?
Yes. Also, can I change the side dish? For example, can I have rice instead of potatoes?
Very useful. And if you have allergies, you must ask, does this contain nuts?
Exactly. Safety first.
Part 6. During the meal.
Now imagine the waiter comes and asks, "How is everything?"
And we answer, it's very good, thank you.
Or if something is wrong, politely say, "Excuse me, this is cold," or "I didn't order this."
Yes, always polite. That's important.
Part 7, paying the bill.
After the meal, you need to ask for the bill. You can say, could we have the bill, please?
Or check, please. That's common in American English.
Yes. In the UK, people usually say bill. In the US, they often say check.
Great cultural tip. And then you can pay by cash or card.
Don't forget to say, thank you very much.
Part 8, review.
Okay, let's review the key phrases. Table for two, please. Can I have the menu, please? I'd like a glass of water. I'll have the spaghetti, please. Are you ready to order? Could we have the bill, please?
Excellent. Part 9, practice role play.
Anna, let's do a full role play slowly so listeners can repeat after us.
Hello, how many people?
Table for two, please.
Here are your menus.
Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Perfect. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon with rice, please.
Very good. And to drink?
I'd like an orange juice, please.
Excellent. Thank you.
Perfect.
Anna, that was a lot of delicious English today.
Yes, now you can go to a restaurant and order with confidence.
Remember to practice these sentences many times.
And write in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Thank you for listening to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life.
See you next time.